slow, very slow, very slow.
Swing at a wrecking ball, and I prayed for my downfall, and I found a way to reconcile.
What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all guys are having an amazing day. I know guys, it has been many days I have not uploaded any vlog. I think it has been months, many months. I don't know how many days, but it has been a very long time I have not uploaded any vlogs on my channel. So I'm back. As you guys can see, I'm vlogging right now. So as you all guys know, this period is going under lockdown due to coronavirus. So I thought of me doing some crazy challenge with my family because all family members are in home. So I thought of making a few crazy challenges for you guys to watch because I don't want you guys to get bored. And without any further ado, let's begin today's challenge. You guys might be thinking what is the challenge of the day, so I will show you guys right now. Guys, I'll explain what is the challenge. As you guys can see over here, there are pani puris kept ready for us to eat, as you guys can see over here. So today's challenge will be how many pani puris we can eat within 1 or 2 minutes. I don't know full details about this challenge, but I'll tell you guys very soon. So I'm waiting for my family members because they are coming in front of this camera for the first time. I think so. No, I have introduced them in my previous vlog, like traveling from Bangalore to Malaysia vlog, obviously.
So I'll introduce to all of my family members right now.
I am Jagdish, father of DJ, and we are heading towards Alva.
Cochin. Next.
I'm leader of this team. Vidya.
Mama.
Mother of DJ.
I forgot to introduce to my sister. So here she is. Done here.
Pratiksha.
Your classmates are seeing this.
So if you have not seen that vlog, do check that. I'll give you that video in the I button, and the video link will be there in the description box below too. So here are the pani puris. So let's take some cinematic video of pani puri.
Very slow, very slow, very slow.
Guys, today's competition will be my big sister and my small sister will be eating 12 puris, and who will eat the 12 puris first will be obviously the winner. And here we have two additional participants, my mother and father, as you guys can see. They'll be doing this part time. They'll be sharing their plates. They'll be eating only one 12 plate puri. They'll be eating together. So here the competition is my big sister and my small sister. So who will lose? Obviously they will get a punishment, and that punishment I will tell you after finishing the competition. So without any further ado, let's begin today's competition in 3, 2, 1, go!
Có thấy là sự thật.
Additional, no, not counted. Winner! I completed.
Within these two people, like.
Completed. And the competition now is between these two people. They are still eating. They are on the last puris.
We are enjoying the eat.
Second place goes to Divs Amber Girl PUBG. And the third place goes to my sister, and last piece eaten by my dad. As you guys can see, actually they are the winners, and I am the second. She is the third, and last goes to this girl, my sister. Guys, as you can see, we have finished the competition, and the loser is right over here, and she'll be getting the punishment, which I'll be telling you in 2 minutes. I have not decided what is the punishment. I'm thinking of it. What should I give? I'm thinking to give punishment of eating onion. So let's begin. Change. Okay, my dad is like, once you said, that is it, and that will be the punishment. And my sister loves to eat onion, so let me bring an onion for her. As you guys can see, I got an onion. I don't want to give her very big punishment, and also I got this small onion, as you guys can see. So here it goes to you. Eat this onion. I'll record it very closely. 1 second, wait. Punishment has not yet started. So eat.
Really, I like onion also.
Supported by my mother. Eat. First she told she loves onion to eat. Sorry, what am I doing? She loves onion.
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ತಿನ್ನತ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ನಾನೇನು ತಿನ್ನಿ.
There she's eating onion. Concentrate on it. She's laughing as if she like it. Inside she's telling, I don't like this onion. Now she can feel it.
Actually, starting ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Finally, she has finished eating the onion, and here is end of the punishment, and she is the loser, as you can see. And my mother is the winner, and I'm the second. I thought I'll come first, but still happens. So let's see at the next time I may win. So here is going preparation for the second round. Actually, I forgot to take the thumbnail pic for the Pani Puri eating challenge, as you know. So now we will be eating one more round, and we will be taking a thumbnail pic.
Super.
Huh? What? My dad loves Pani Puri, but so now we'll be taking a thumbnail shot, and we'll eat more, because while doing the challenge we didn't eat properly, and we didn't get the taste of the Pani Puri. So we'll eat now, it slowly, and we'll enjoy the taste.
competition
Competition is going on between my mother and father. Still going on the competition.
Father likes very much this sweet pani, and I like.
My mom like kara pani, my father like sweet pani. While doing Pani Puri challenge, I have not tasted the Pani Puri. I didn't get that taste of Pani Puri. So now I have prepared few Pani Puris for myself. Good. As you guys can see, now I prepared some Pani Puris for myself. I'll be eating now and
dipping in the.
ಎಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ knowing the taste of Pani Puri. So let's eat.
ಅದ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಮಗ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಪಾನಿ.
Yummy. Mommy, we'll open one Pani Puri tela. Mommy, we'll open one Pani Puri shop. I sponsor. Super Pani Puri made by my mom.
ಇಟ್ಕೋತಿರಲ್ಲ
As you guys can see over there.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪಾನಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಾಕೋದು.
Super.
ನೀವು ಕಾಯತಡಿ.
Finally finished up with the Pani Puri challenge, and I hope you guys like that challenge with my whole family. And while editing this video, I found main time I'm not looking into the camera, and I'm looking into the screen of the camera. As you can see now on screen, looking at the screen, and that was my fault. I'm very sorry for that. Actually, I'm using this setup for the first time for vlogging. Before I used to vlog in the phone. As you guys can see, this phone I used to vlog in that phone, and the quality of the phone camera was nice. That's why I vlogged in that. And this setup is very heavy, and I cannot carry for a long time on my single hand. So I want to keep changing my arms to carry this setup. Never show you this setup anytime in the vlog because I'm doing it for the first time. So I'll show you guys right now. So as you guys can see, this is my whole new setup. This is the Canon 200D with the Boya mic on the top and a Manfrotto tripod, as you guys can see over here. And this is my whole setup. When I was discussing about this challenge with my sister, she was like she will win, she will do the first rank, and she was telling my big sister that she will lose, and here she is the loser, and you guys can see. That's it for today, guys. I hope you like the Pani Puri challenge with my whole family, and if you like that Pani Puri challenge with my whole family, do press the like button, and if you are new around here, do subscribe to my channel because I provide this type of quality content video each and every single time, and entertainment and funny vlogs to you guys each and every single time, and that's a fact. As you guys can see, I'm editing the vlog right now. I hope this vlog will be live by today night or tomorrow morning. I wish it will be live very soon. So if you are new around here, do subscribe to my channel and do press the bell icon and select it to all because YouTube is not sending notification of my channel. So you can get notification when I upload new video, new vlog, new technique, anything, any video. I may upload next tech or funny video. I don't know which I will upload. So do press the bell icon so that you get notified. So that's it for today, guys. It's me, DJ Prajwal. As always, Tata and bye bye. Let's meet you with a new video vlog. Sorry, Tata and bye bye.